What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. Coming at y'all with a product review by AutoOne. Matter of fact, this product in today's video is sponsored by AutoOne Automotive Lighting. So y'all make sure y'all check out the link in the description where y'all can find this right here for y'all's vehicle. They make LEDs and HIDs for all sorts and makes and models of vehicles, as well as interior lighting for you guys' needs, backup lights, whatever you guys can think of, man. Pretty sure they got it. So y'all go right over there. Link will be in the description to their website and where y'all can get this exact model. So right now, you guys can pick this up for $34.99 on Amazon with a 10% coupon at the checkout. So it gives you around $2-3, real talk. And on the Amazon, it's advertised as 55 watt, 8,000 lumen HRD bulb. It is rated to have a 3,000 hour lifespan, so you can really look forward to being able to use this light for a really long time. And it's also claiming to have 200% brighter lighting over the factory HID. You know what I'm saying? So, they putting out some really good numbers out here, guys. This also has UV prevention. So, when there's oncoming traffic and oncoming drivers, that you are not blinding those folks. Because I know that you guys have seen people do that before, and you have to flash their brights, and it's just like, dang, man, But yeah, let's get further into the video without procrastination. This is how it came in the mail. Pretty much, it came pretty fast. Shipping really good. No problems. When y'all get this, it's gonna come with some gloves. This is the first time I have ever got something like this, some lights that came with gloves. So I'm really geeked about this, y'all. Really geeked about that. So you're gonna get a pair of gloves, product warranty, and sales support. Y'all see it's got all the specs on there and stuff like that. But this is the bulb, man. This is how it comes. Real nice packaging. Real nice packaging. Take this out for y'all, let y'all see it. That's why they come with these gloves, guys, because you do not need to touch the bulb with your hands, because your hands can have contaminants, wax, and grease on it that can really prevent it from doing what it's supposed to do. Let y'all see it a little bit better. Nothing too crazy. The brightest that y'all can get right there, 6,000 Kelvin, 6,000 K. This is a D3S bulb. And sorry I said 55 watt. And like I said, that's what advertised on Amazon. So, but this is a 35 watt bulb. So just like factory is 35 as well. So put this back in the box. Just wanted to give y'all a quick unboxing and show y'all that real good quality. So without further ado, let's get out there. Just a second so I can get this turned on. That's what they look like when I turn them on. Hopefully y'all can see them good enough. But yeah, those are it right there. That's how they look. See if I can remember where I got this mounted up at or whatever. So you're gonna need both hands, but I got it pretty loose. But you're gonna just pull out on it and it's gonna pop off. Just like that. And you're gonna put in the new one just like you took out the old one. Set that off to the side. Take your new one and just do it in the inverse. So I'm gonna just show y'all side by side comparison of it and everything, what it look like. show y'all what that one look like, you know, with the old one in, with the new one in right here. So I got the new one snapped in, whatever, all secured. Insert them in at an angle. I got it as tight as I can get it. I got that in there about as good as I can get it. So I'm gonna set this back up and give y'all an after of what it looked like. I'm not really sure if y'all can see it. Maybe y'all can. Just barely, a little bit on camera. These look to be a little bit more like, I have like a bluish tint to it, which I like because it looks like it matches up a little bit better with my fog lights over here at the knees. See if I can bring y'all in a little bit closer to the help. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that does justice, but definitely looks to be a lot, I don't know, a lot bluer tint for sure. Again, which I like. I don't know, it actually look brighter. I don't know, y'all let me know. They definitely look brighter. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all can see that now. Yeah, y'all can see that now, clear as day. I think they done warmed up a little bit too or something, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I think this is alright though, y'all. I'm digging it so far. Actually finna put this back on now. Like I said, I got it seated in there as good as I can. So I'm gonna ride with that. So install this back. Had it. Alright, YouTube, I'm back, man. I got them all in. And man, oh yeah, I definitely see a difference. Definitely. It's crazy. I know y'all see the difference. So that's what they look like when I turn them on. Put it in there where y'all see before and after. And here's the old ones in the box right here. As y'all can see, definitely looks a whole lot better. Bluer for sure, which I am definitely a fan of. So yeah, man, matches up with my fog lights a whole lot better, man. I said, I know y'all can see the difference, and it probably ain't just because they new, but definitely give them a thumbs up, man. Link will be in the description below. I appreciate AutoOne for coming out and sending these to me to review for you guys. I appreciate you, AutoOne, for coming out and supporting me, my channel. Like I said, y'all go check it out. Link will be in the description below where y'all can find these HIDs, man. Like I say, definitely a good upgrade, man. Another lighted upgrade for y'all, and it doesn't break the bank. Under $35 right now. Y'all go get it. Y'all go get it right now, man.